Welcome to our monthly webinar, and we are in February. And today's talk on mindfulness in business and life, I've got an inspiration from the Valentine's Day and the feeling of love and connection that we've been experiencing this month, more than any other months. And the question that I have for you is, are you in love with what you do? Do you feel joy from the work that you do, from the service that you provide to others, even if you don't look at it from the perspective that you're interacting with the clients, maybe you're doing a computer work, but do you feel the joy from the input that you're putting? And unfortunately, in my experience, there are more no's to this question than yes nowadays. And part of it is hiding in our physiology. For example, when we're sitting on the computers or when we're just sitting down for a prolonged period of time, then we automatically put our body in the closed position. Our shoulders are hinged, our neck is tilted, and that inhibits our ability to feel expansive feelings such as joy and love and fulfillment from work. And therefore, mindfulness comes very handy in reversing this dynamic in the business environment and life in general. What we need to start doing is pay attention to our physiology and how are we on minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day body postures to increase our capacity to feel more emotional expansion and connection with ourselves and then with one another. If we feel happy, if we feel joyful, if we're fulfilled from what we do, by definition, we will radiate that out, and therefore, it would be good for us and good for others to feel and share those feelings of expansiveness. So, I wanted to share with you this simple technique that will help you by practicing just a few minutes a day and actually a few minutes throughout the day. You can bring more mindfulness into your work, and that guaranteed will bring you more satisfaction with what you do. But first, I wanted to kind of ask you what made you start doing what you're doing now, whatever profession or occupation you hold. You have started do what you do because there was some level of passion, interest, satisfaction, or perhaps it gave you the feeling of safety and stability choosing that profession. So think back about what have you started to do professionally, and why did you start doing that? Why did you go to school for a specific degree? Why did you start working for the company that you've interviewed? You put your energy and effort. So reflect just a few moments, perhaps even closing your eyes and reflecting back on why did you start that? Why did you invested that time, money, resources, energy in the profession, in the field of interest that you are now doing? Spend just a few moments and remember that initial feeling, that initial pleasantness about choosing your profession and field of interest. And we're going to use that feeling and that knowledge. We're connecting our thoughts of why did you start doing that with the feeling of pleasantness that will cultivate through this simple body posture. So, what you will do, you will inhale and expand your chest, looking up, and the elbows are 90 degrees bent, palms are open facing forward. So, as you inhale, you will look up, radiating from the chest, allowing the chest to open, the throat to open. And as you exhale, you will bring everything into a little ball. You'll hinge your shoulders, noticing the difference. You will inhale again, opening up, looking up. And as you exhale, contract everything. Inhale through the nose, Opening up, arching the back, looking up, and exhale through the mouth, bringing everything together. Let's do it a few more times, noticing the difference between inhale and openness and exhale and closeness. Practice with me, please, unless you're driving. Inhale, opening up, and exhale, coming into a little ball. Inhale through the nose, feeling that expansiveness. Stay there a few seconds. And as you exhale, contract round the spine. Just do it a few more times, noticing the difference radiating from the heart. And exhale, close. Inhale again, open. And exhale, close. Now one more time, inhale and open up. And now I would invite you to close your eyes. Your chest is open, your throat is open, your palms are facing forward. And breathe there, stay there a few moments. Allow yourself to stay in this position of openness, radiance. Close your eyes so you can really go inward. And now lower your hands, but stay open. Stay open through your chest, through your throat. And this time, bring back that feeling of and knowing of why have you started to do what you do? Why have you enjoyed your job, your profession, the company that you're with right now? From this open chest, radiating that feeling of joy, of love for your craft, of pleasantness, allowing yourself to maintain that open feeling in your physiology, in your body, pairing it up with mental awareness and openness of why have you started to do that. Meditate on that feeling expanded in your body, radiated from your chest, relaxing the shoulders down, perhaps even bringing a gentle smile on the face, expanding that radiance from the face, allowing the stomach to relax, radiating that openness and joy from your belly too. Keeping the throat open, breathing slow and deep, and remembering what is so pleasant, so amazing about your work, about what you do, and why you love it. On the next inhale, or whenever you're ready, bringing your chin back to parallel. But keep that openness through the shoulders. And allow yourself to open the eyes and see how different it feels. Could you feel the difference between closing and contracting, being in our technology all the time, and having that openness and the flow in our chest and the shoulders? And how much more joyful and pleasant does it feel? And then connecting it with why you're doing what you're doing, why you're working, why you're putting 8, 9, 12 hours a day into serving others, into contributing to your company. I heard in a very amazing source that I hear from the Himalayas that success is defined as pleasantness of our surroundings. When we feel joy and pleasantness about what we do, about our environment and our relationship, work interactions between our clients, vendors, and colleagues, That is the definition of success internally. That's when we feel that we're successful in what we do. And pleasantness itself is the pleasantness in our mind and the pleasantness in our emotions. And it's not something that we can stumble upon anymore. We need to devote time to cultivate those feelings of pleasantness in our day, in our life, in our work environments. And this simple technique of keeping your chest open and reminding ourselves daily of why we love what we do will bring that level of pleasantness and therefore success. I hope that it has been helpful for you. Please share with me if you have any questions and if you have any input and how did it go for you. And I will see you about a month from now on our monthly webinars. And I'm looking forward to experiencing more techniques of mindfulness and applying them to business setting and beyond. Thank you so much. My name is Oksana Sberard, and I will see you in about a month.